we should check if it worked. Hi, Drinkcode is here back again, and today we're going to discuss about Cron, what are crons and how can you use them, how can you schedule them, and why are they useful. So crons are simple task schedulers which are running, for instance, executables which are doing stuff at a period of time when you want to schedule it. So I'm going to open a terminal and I'm going to look for an executable on /etc/cron-t, and inside cron.t you'll have something. You'll have an cron. I don't know what's that. I think it's a simple cron which is doing something. Yeah, it's actually a cron which is doing something here. And I can see there that is another cron, popularity contest, which is doing a test on cron daily, popularity contest, and another stuff here. So I'll show you how to create a simple cron. I want to create another cron, so I'll create sudo vim check disk. So this is a simple cron which is checking the disk at a period of time, I'll say. And let's log in. So we're inside this cron. I'll show you here an example. Crons usually have a line where you specify the minute, hour, day, month, day when you want to repeat. So if you have this, it will repeat each day, each month. If you have here a number, it will repeat only at 4. So let's repeat every minute. Let's repeat every minute. So I'm setting this to be as executable, and inside the date disk we'll have something like this. So we have date and this. I want to execute this to see if it's working. Now let's try to run this, and as you can see we have these two lines. So in our cron, if we're going back to etc cron.t, I have here something like check disk, and it's like this, but the problem is that the first line is not printed because this date is not executed. I don't know why. You can go into the cron var log syslogs, and as you can see right here, we can see all the cron runs. So at 1 minute, as you can see here, at 1 minute we are running this cron, this command, and we are inserting into the cron log. It seems that the first line is not executed because it might crash or something. So yeah, this executable will roll the day, the hour, and the disk usage. So it's really simple. So I saved that cron.log. So as you can see, we have the logs, but we don't have the time. That was the problem. So it means that the cron executed the line which is saying the disk size, but it haven't executed the line with the time. I forget to log everything in the cron, so I'll sudo vim, then I'll log everything to this location. Now let's wait 1 minute, grab the cron. We can do this line, so grab cron var log syslog, and inside the syslog run the day disk. It means that if you're going right now to see the logs from cron.log, we should see here the hour, so at 55, As you can see, at 55 we run the command and we output it to this file. Now let's wait one more minute, then we can specify a bash script, or we can also run Python code, a lot of stuff we can run in code. We can run everything we want here with this Cron, but we should check if it worked first. So we have to log to see if it worked. Now let's check the logs, and as you can see we have another one at 55, 56. So yeah, this was with this tutorial. If you want to try other stuff, so you can go on this website. I'll let you this into the description, and you can see, you can try other stuff like trying to run the Cron at -1, past hour 2 and 3 on day of month 1. So yeah, you can work with this. But all I want to show you is that Crons are really useful. That was all about Crons. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to Drink Code. Have a nice day.